Rena ga itemogela kgaotso ya kabo ya mohlagase lefapha la maphelo le magareng ga mafapha a mangwe a wangwa go kudu ke se.
Ke na le ngwana a na le club food and o kenya body cement after 6 months. So later ke a ile siko na lo khutlela hae bana ba sa kenya body cement.
Bookelo bjo bogolo go a feta ka Afrika Borwa Chris Hani Baragwanath bjo bo lego ka Soweto bo itemogela ga makgetlo go kgetha balwetsi bao ba nyaka go thuso ya kapijana.
We actually have elective services that are pre-planned, and due to this load shedding, like one of the areas as I've indicated, our St. John, the generator could not kick in on time, and the technicians had to go and attend to that. And obviously, it delays the work that because the cases are being scheduled timelessly. So obvious one way or another, one of the cases has to be shifted in order to accommodate the other services that could not be done on time due to the load shedding. We have to reprioritize in order to accommodate the ones that are emergency that we cannot actually move away.
Bashumi ba maphelo le bona a ba tlogelwe mo tabeng ye.
Most of our clinics in different townships are really having it bad because there isn't any form of generator backup. So in instances where there's 2 hours or even more hours of load shedding, clinics have got to close, or patients have to be put aside because most of the machinery that is needed to take the vital signs of this patient are sometimes dependent on electricity.
Ge tharollo tabeng ye ya kgaotso ya mohlagase e le fela go tshima mabone. Go bashumi ba maphelo ba gapeleditse ga go dira moshomo wa bona ka makgethe go boloka maphelo a badudi le mo seemong se bjalo.